For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of worrying about your valuables being stolen or compromised? Perhaps you're a homeowner with sensitive documents and irreplaceable family heirlooms that need to be kept safe from potential intruders. Maybe you've tried other security safes in the past, but were left disappointed by their lackluster performance and poor design. But here's what surprised me about the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe, a product that promises to deliver top-notch protection at an affordable price point without sacrificing ease of use or aesthetic appeal. Therefore, if you're anything like me and want a security safe that truly lives up to its claims, keep watching because this review is going to dive deep into what makes the SentrySafe X055 stand out from the competition. As we take a closer look at this product, one thing becomes immediately apparent. It's designed with both form and function in mind. The SentrySafe X055 Security Safe boasts a sturdy steel construction that can withstand even the most determined of burglars, complete with a robust locking mechanism that keeps your valuables secure. But there's more to this safe than just its physical capabilities. It also features an impressive array of convenient features that make storing and retrieving your belongings a breeze. But how does it perform in real-world situations? Therefore, let's explore some of the key features of the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe that set it apart from other security safes on the market. For instance, its electronic lock is designed with a combination keypad for easy access, while its programmable alarm system will sound an alert if anyone attempts to force their way in. However, one thing you might be wondering is whether this level of protection comes at the cost of convenience. After all, some security safes can be notoriously difficult to use or install. But don't worry, the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe is designed with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and program. But what really caught my attention was its compact size and sleek design, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorm rooms. Therefore, whether you're a homeowner looking for an extra layer of security or a renter trying to safeguard your valuables without breaking the bank, the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe has something to offer. Now that we've taken a closer look at some of the key features and benefits of this product, it's time to put them to the test. But will the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe live up to its promises? Therefore, let's dive into some real-world reviews from customers who have actually used the product to find out. According to many satisfied customers, the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe delivers on its promise of top-notch protection without sacrificing ease of use or style. Some reviewers praised its easy-to-use electronic lock and programmable alarm system, while others appreciated its compact size and sleek design that fits perfectly into any room. But not everyone has been entirely pleased with their experience. Some customers have reported issues with the safe's locking mechanism and customer support. However, don't let a few negative reviews deter you from considering this product. After all, every company makes mistakes sometimes, and SentrySafe is no exception. Therefore, if you're still unsure about whether or not to invest in the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe, keep watching because we're going to wrap up with some final thoughts and recommendations. In conclusion, after taking a closer look at this product's features, benefits, and real-world reviews from customers, I can confidently say that the SentrySafe X055 Security Safe is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable security safe. Therefore, don't wait any longer to protect your valuables with confidence. Order yours today by clicking the link in the description. For the best price on Amazon, make sure to click this link in the description and get ready to safeguard your belongings like never before.